In this question, we're going to use the pairs of letters given to kind of break a code where we're going to come up with the actual words that use the pairs given. So what do we mean by this? Well, from the beginning here, N we can see is going to correspond to A. So our first letter for this first word is A. And then Y corresponds to L, and so we're going to have two L's. H corresponds to U. F corresponds to S. V corresponds to I. B corresponds to O. And A corresponds to N. So illusion is our first word. And so do you see how we find the letter and then we write down whatever?